How to use Quora. So the first step is to simply go to Quora.com, and after you create your free account, basically here you can start asking questions. So as you can see at the top, you can basically type in, and then here as you can see, you can start your question with what, how, why, and etc. So then what you're gonna have to is simply choose if you want this to be a public question or limited. And as you can see, you have two different options. So you have the option to add question and create post. So basically this will create a post and this will be published on your Quora profile. So if you go here, as you can see, here you can see all your answers, questions, posts, followers, following, and activity. Now you can do the same thing. So you can scroll down, as you can see here on my Quora feed, and you can see different posts or questions, as you can see here, and you can simply click on any of these and you can basically answer, you can upvote these questions. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.